Continuing with our team coverage, let's take a look at what has been completed so far. Audio engineering students have been working on installing on-air equipment with a construction permit. Here's more.
Comet radio students are getting ready to go live on air this upcoming fall. Trenton Happenstall, an audio student, tells us more about what work has been done so far.
We've installed 2 racks. We transferred equipment from one rack that was right behind me into another. There's been some other prep work around, like running new cables for digital audio, helping out with some other miscellaneous stuff around the studio.
As these students work closer and closer to streaming live, they've learned a lot of technical audio skills through the struggles that they've had.
The hardest part about putting the radio station together was really understanding the layout of what exactly is going on. I mean, we got giant like refrigerator looking things of, just random, bits of technology. So you're knowing exactly what is what and why this connects to this, was probably the hardest part.
For WITCC News, I'm Kelsey Scatches. When Comet Radio is ready to transmit this upcoming fall, they will stream live on 94.3 as KWSR.
For the moment, though, Comet Radio can be streamed online by visiting cometradio.witcc.edu.